Alrighty guys, what is going up? I hope you guys are all having a great and fantastic day today. Now today's episode, we're going to be talking about the Cash App. So I made a couple Cash App videos in the past explaining their investing platform, but I wanted to take a deeper dive in it. I wanted to show you guys how to use it, how to buy, how to sell, how they make money, and kind of how the fraction shares work. So as you guys pull up the fraction shares here, you guys can just smash the like button. I think I fooled you guys. I mean, I've been killing it fooling you guys. As we go ahead and pull up the Cash App, you guys should like it though. But as we go ahead and pull up the Cash App here, you guys can see they make it very easy and they don't make it too like overbearing with a ton of like filters and a ton of studies and a ton of just information. They make it super simple. So you guys can see they do have a variety of charts here. They have the daily, the weekly, the monthly, the yearly, and then the all-time. So as you guys can see, I'm almost at 20% on the all-time, up just over $11, almost $12 actually. So as we scroll down here, it says your investment. So you guys can see I've invested roughly $59.50 into my account, and I have a total gain of roughly $11.87 on it. So yeah, you can make money on it. You don't need hundreds or thousands of dollars to make money investing, for those of you that think you do. So as you scroll down here, this is where it shows you your portfolio. So you guys can see I'm long on Beyond Meat, Tesla, AMD, Apple, Netflix, Facebook, Amazon, Microsoft, Costco, Google, Berkshire Hathaway, Kroger, S&P 500, Visa, Disney. Whew. Jeez. Alright, so if let's say we wanted to buy another company here, we'll do that here in a minute, but as we scroll down here, we do have our following tab. So this is like our watch list. So this is where you can put a lot of your favorite companies in, stocks you eventually want to buy in the future, stocks you guys see potential in, or stocks you just want to keep an overall eye on. So you guys can go ahead and, add some. It's super simple on how to add one. So if let's say we wanted to add Boeing to it, all you gotta do is just click this little follow button and then you're good to go. But I wouldn't invest in Boeing. There's a lot of stuff going on with their airplanes. So as you guys continue to scroll down here, this is where it shows you the biggest daily movers. So you guys can see Beyond Meat is almost up 20% today. Holy crap. Over 52% on the month, 52% on the week. Oh my Atlanta, they are just crushing it. They're killing it, guys. But so you guys can see the biggest daily movers: Tilray, Weedstock, Tesla, Carvana. Ooh, Carvana, it looks actually like a pretty cool little company here. How much is a share? So as you guys click on a share here, we're going to add this to our following tab because we want to keep an eye on it. So it shows you the about feature. So this just kind of tells you what the company's about, normally what they sell, and a variety of other things here. As you scroll down, they have the CEO, the industry, the number of employees, and then the headquarters. Then down below, they do have the details. They do have the share price, the company's valuation, and then the ticker symbol, or the company's symbol here. So we added that to our watch list. So as we go back, it should be right on the following tab, and there it is. Carvana. So it's kind of up a lot today, so maybe we shouldn't buy it. We kind of want to just find good companies to buy, but we're going to actually purchase another partial share of Disney. So we're going to go ahead, click buy, and now this is kind of however much you guys want to do. If you guys want to do like, however much, but I'm just going to do $1. We're going to click next, and then all you got to do is just click this confirm button. So where does this money come from that I just bought this dollar with? Well, it comes from my debit card. I have my debit card hooked to it, so it just instantly takes it out of my account, and I get the confirmation email. And now I own $1 worth of Disney. So that's really how to use the interface and use the software. It's not too complicated. It's very simple. So you guys can go ahead and try it out. So now one of the biggest questions that I get is how do they make money? Because as you guys see, there was no fees, there was no commission, it was just literally free. So how do they make money? Well, they make money honestly a couple of ways. The very first way they make money is when you sell the stock, it's free. And then when you want to send it back to your bank account, or if you just want to leave it on the Cash App, it's free. And as you leave your money there, that is when they use it, and they earn interest on that money you're letting sit there. So if let's say you just want to send it to your bank account instantaneously, they do charge 1% just to send it instantaneous. But if let's say you want to go the free route, which I highly recommend everybody do if you guys use the Cash App, then you guys should just do the free route. Yes, it does take anywhere from 2 to 3 business days to actually go into your account, but during that time, they will still use it and they will get interest on that money. So they still get money on it even though it's free for you. So if let's say you guys want to sell the stock here, now how long does it take before you actually get your money? It takes anywhere from 2 to 3 business days. Now that is very common, so honestly I wouldn't stress about it too much, just because a lot of apps like Robinhood, Moomoo, TD Ameritrade, they actually take 2 to 3 business days. They actually take 2 to 3 business days as well before they actually settle in your account. You can either reinvest it or you can just send it back to your bank. So how do dividends work on the Cash App? Very simple. It's very simple. So if let's say you own half of a share of Disney, you'll just get half of the dividend. It's not too complicated. So when Disney pays out their dividends, it goes directly to your Cash App account. And I honestly do wish that they would have a feature where it kind of reinvests that dividend to it. Maybe in the future, I don't know, we'll see. But right now, they don't have it. Another way that the Cash App makes money is through overflow. So I'm not gonna explain to you guys what overflow is. It's pretty much when a broker gets anywhere from 2 to 3 cents per $100 that they get for traders to invest with their software. So that's like how Robinhood makes money, and a lot of other free commission brokers make money is through overflow. I'm not going to explain to you that. Maybe that's a video for another day. So how does the fraction shares work? So really what they do is, if let's say you bought half of a share of Disney and another person bought half of a share of Disney, they would combine those shares, and then so you guys would split half of that share. And if when Disney offers their dividend, you guys would split that dividend as well. And that could be divided up into however many people it is. But what are my overall thoughts on the Cash App, and what are my feelings on it? Well, here's the deal. Whoa, that's way too bright. So here's the deal. I think they're doing crazy things. I think this is gonna definitely separate them out from the competition, and Robinhood got wind of it, and what do you know? They're starting up a new program that is gonna do the same thing. Now, obviously the Cash App makes a ton of money just because they have 50 million active users, and if each of them take 1%, that is a crazy amount of money. So overall, I know Cash App's making money, and hopefully we can make some money too on the side. But it's a cool little platform that they have. I'm super excited. I would give it probably like a 4 stars out of 5. Obviously, I wish they had more details on the actual stock, just because I'd like to know how much like volume it has, how much float. But I'm a stock trader and I like that stuff, so maybe that's too much for a lot of you guys. So that's it though. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode, and if you did, drop a subscribe down below. Remember to always stay happy, stay positive, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Take care. Peace out. Stay happy. I don't know. Bye.